Jessica with expressionsvinyl.com, and today I want to talk to you about EasyWeed Specialty. There's some EasyWeeds that you may not know existed, so we're going to go through those today. First up, we have the EasyWeed Glow, and I love this because it's white, but then when it glows in the dark, then it turns green. So you can hide it on a white shirt, and then in the dark, it's going to glow, and it's so fun. This you will cut just like you do regular EasyWeed. If you're using a silhouette blade on a 2 and then thickness at like a 6 to an 8, and then with the Cricut, you can do it on Iron-On. Okay, let's go to the Blackboard. This is Cesar's EasyWeed Blackboard. It is so fun because you can write on it. So you can change out whatever you want on your shirt. So there's this cute shirt that says current mood, and then you can put a happy face or put a monster face depending on your mood. This is really fun for koozies or like countdowns. I love it. And this is the same. You cut it on a 2 with your thickness that is between a 6 and an 8, and then for Cricut, Iron-On. And this one is a little tricky to tell what side you cut on. So the matte side, that's actually your carrier sheet, and the shiny side, it's kind of shiny, the smoother black side is where you're going to want to cut. So, and these you all cut just like regular EasyWeed. You want to reverse your image. So there is that chalkboard part. This is the part you'll write on, and this is the adhesive. And then you've got that carrier sheet over top. Okay, let's go to EasyWeed Adhesive. This is a fun one. It's just looks like a clear sheet. And it actually is glue on both sides. So you've got the clear carrier sheet, you've got the regular adhesive on the back here that's not activated until you heat it up. But then when you heat it up, you can put fun things on like foils. And this shirt shows you without anything on top, and then this has an opal foil over the top, so you can kind of see. This is a fun one to put on if you want like a hidden, kind of like a watermark. You can put it on by itself, or you can put some stuff over the top. So this one is a little tricky to tell as well what side to cut on, but it does have that nice smooth carrier sheet and then the adhesive on the back that you can tell the difference when you're touching it. Next up is the EasyReflective. I love this one because it looks just kind of gray, but then when the light hits it, it just really reflects off. It's really fun at night. It's fun on different projects. There's this cute bag. If you were to take a picture with the flash, that also really makes the reflective show up. So this also has that clear carrier sheet as well, and then that reflective you can see. And you'll cut on this side, reverse your image like normal. I love the reflective because you can use it on like running clothes or for like Halloween costumes or everyday costumes. So these are some EasyWeed specialties you may not have heard of yet. They're really fun to mix in with your regular EasyWeeds as well. You can find them on our website, expressionsvinyl.com, along with the cut settings and the heat settings for these. So if you guys have tried these, let us know. If you liked this video, let us know you're watching. Give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, write them down below and we will get you answered. Hope you guys have a great day. It really reflects, and it's fun. Let me start that over. What else about EasyReflective? Let me start that over. This is the kicker. No, we're not spending 20 minutes on this. So these are some EasyWeeds you may not have heard of. They're really fun to mix in with your everyday stuff, and you can also, I'm saying mix in too much. Be sure to check out cut settings and heat settings on our website. We're getting there. I almost had it.